Leather furniture is tough and hard-wearing, but daily use takes its toll. Guardsman's Leather Care collection contains all the products you need to keep your furniture looking its best, including a cleaner, protector, and 3 ink remover wipes. The leather cleaner is a gentle but effective solution that cleans without streaks and preserves your leather's soft, supple feel. Simply pour the cleaner onto the sponge provided and squeeze until the product begins to foam before wiping away built-up dirt. Once cleaned, apply the protector to safeguard against premature aging and irreversible staining. Again, apply the protector to the sponge and wipe over your furniture. Should the worst happen, such as an ink stain, our ink removal wipes are a no-nonsense solution. Simply wipe the stain away with our fast and effective disposable wipes. Your leather furniture is now clean, protected and looking its best.